these air filtration devices. Given that we're pushing air into the walls, dry, clean air, it might come out a little bit dirty and dusty through the cracks and crevices into the property. So replace these air filtration devices, which filter down to about 2 to 3 microns. So it keeps the whole situation safe. Absolutely perfect, brilliant piece of gear.